There was a time when I sounded happy.
Go to elvisduran.com.
But I wasn't happy. I was struggling. Then Dr. Oz helped me take control of my weight and my life. I took off over 100 pounds and I started living again. Today I feel great, and I want everyone to feel this feeling. So I'm meeting up with some of my favorite friends in music and asking them to take us to their happy place. Jason Derulo started his songwriting career in his teens. He's written huge hits for stars like Lil Wayne and Pitbull, but now he's a global superstar on his own with 11 platinum hits. Jason's world as a performing artist is fast-paced and very intense. At just 27 years old, he's been through some seriously tough times, but he came out stronger and wiser and seems to always be in a really good mood too. So I had to ask Jason, where's your happy place? So he said, meet him here, where he works out, Equinox Printing House, New York. Jason.
Elvis, what's up, bro?
Show me around.
Oh, man, this is my happy place, man.
Well, what is it about a gym that makes you so happy? I find myself very unhappy.
Man, are you kidding me, man? Look at all these people, and they got smiles on their face. You know, it's a beautiful place. I mean, honestly, this is one of the places that whatever is going on in my life, life stresses, life troubles, I mean, I forget about it and literally just come and pump it out.
So working out feels good? Really?
Yeah, man. I mean, working out releases endorphins. I mean, it gives you a natural high.
So what's your routine all about?
So I kind of change it up, whether it's boxing, whether it's calisthenics, whether it's pumping iron. I mean, it's all a part of it.
Well, Jason, the gym is a very unhappy place for me.
No way.
I want you to make this my happy place. Can you show me?
Absolutely.
Do you think you can help me find an ab?
I
don't have an ab.
Everybody has abs, man.
I gotta find mine.
Everybody, yeah. You know, sometimes it's just a little coverage. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
we just got to get past the coverage, and the abs is right there. Pow! So I have a weight in my feet, and then I'm gonna bring it up, and as I'm bringing the weight up with my feet, I'm actually crunching at the top as well.
And this makes you happy? This is your happy place?
Oh, absolutely.
But then it was my turn.
Right here. Oh. That's the crunch we want right there. You feel
That
that?
hurt. Now, how many of these do you do a day? Like 70, 80?
Until I'm dead.
So you're working out your body, you're de-stressing at the same time. It's gotta be stressful living in the public eye like you do. I mean, how do you get through all the critiques and all the people talking trash about you without letting it get to you?
Wait, I talk a little different when I'm in the gym. Nah, honestly, man, I try not to think about what other people's opinions are. I mean, I try to stay in my own lane and stick to the goal.
But Jason's faced far bigger challenges than dealing with the haters. Back in 2012, he had a near-death experience when he fractured his neck during a rehearsal. He had to cancel his entire tour, and the injury nearly left him paralyzed. I want to get serious for a second. I want to take you back to 2012 when you had your awful, awful accident. What was going through your mind then? How were you living through that?
I think some of the hardest times were not being able to do things myself. I mean, the simple things like taking a shower or putting my shirt on or my pants on, just not having control of my own life, you know, was the hardest part.
You know, it's so interesting to talk to people who've been through a scare like that or a cancer scare, and they have this new lease on life. But what about people who don't have to go through something traumatic? I still want to live the life of someone who's been through what you've been through.
You don't want to have to break your neck to
I don't want to break my neck to get it right. You know, there's something to be learned for all of us. What do you think that is?
I think, you know, you can't take things for granted, man. I mean, you know, spend time with the people that you care about. Don't waste time doing things that don't help your life, that don't escalate you, that don't matter.
Being a creator, being an artist, it has moments of torture, I'm assuming. Do you ever experience self-doubt or writer's block when you're trying to write music?
I mean, not so much now, but I think back in the day, it was more me focusing on the success rather than the process or the art. Once I started focusing on the art, the self-doubt just melted away.
What advice do you have for all of us trying to find our happy place?
It's literally just figuring out what makes you happy. Do you like cooking? Do you feel happy when you're cooking? Do you feel happy when you're working out? Do you feel happy when you take walks? I mean, you gotta find what it is that makes you happy and do it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.